Freedom, I never had the chance to run. Leave behind the said and done. Figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond a shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess I could be stronger now, and leave it up to fate somehow. But
We'd like to think we have some form of control still.
Right, so welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. The ups and downs of why Project 13 hasn't really had many videos is because it's been having a lot of mechanical issues, and basically now the engine's on its way out. So keep watching for updates on the actual big car, but for today we're going to be having a look at the little cars that I do. So if you've been following the Instagram, you'll probably have seen a lot of these little things about. So how to start, I made a replica of the low origin S14, Alex Laws's car, and it went pretty big for me. So it looked awesome, and then everybody shared it, and then before I knew it I was doing customs for everyone. So they vary different, everything from Ford Focuses all the way to Honda Prelude show cars, and even a few drift cars in there. I mean, there was even a Pikachu one. I'll try and put a few clips in here as I'm talking. But the last one I did, I had planned to do a video, but it was so hectic to do it, and it took so damn long to learn all of the new things to make it work that I just basically ended up just kind of skipping the video kind of thing, because it was almost impossible. It took nearly a year to make. So the last one I made was Josh from Drift Games' Mazda MX-5, his old livery. He sadly changed it a week after I finished, but here is a picture of it. It came with a removable hardtop, full custom body kit, decals, and then Josh was very, very kind, and he signed it for us. So he signed the box, so that was just for my personal collection. So
alright Josh, what you got there?
So we have the goodie box that we put together for the best fan art competition that we released
And
2 weeks ago.
who won it?
This is not one of the, it was of my car. It was project13.co who designed an unbelievable Hot Wheel style car. Was it almost, not exact replica, but a ridiculous...
It was close enough.
It was ridiculous. It was a complete Hot Wheels car of my Mark 1 MX-5.
Well, I'm going to show everyone now what exactly he made.
I do a few little custom ones for some people, but it tends to take that long that I can't really be bothered. So this is another one of the customs I'm going to be doing, so I just flashed it earlier in the clip. So it's a Mazda rx7. Anyone who's into drifting will have seen the haraguchi rx7, a bright yellow, very, very low car that hit the scene back in the early 2000s and basically showed everyone that you could have a very, very stylish car, and it's one of my all-time favorites. So I'm going to be making a Hot Wheels replica of it because you cannot get a little mini replica, so why not make one myself? So during this video you'll get to see how I've done it, how I make them, and maybe pick up some tips and make some for yourself, because why not? I mean, people charge an absolute fortune to make them, so if you can do it for yourself then that would be fantastic, wouldn't it? So watch this space and let's get cracking.
give it up.
Right, so as you can see, all the paint is gone, and the car, you can strip it all down into the different sections, and the next bit is going to be the modification. So most of it's going to be done with a file, a Dremel and a drill. So I'll get cracking, and I'm going to do the bonnet, so I'm going to file that vent off. I'm going to drill the headlights out because it has like recessed cups on the Haraguchi car. The front bumper can pretty much stay, the side skirts and rear bumper can stay, and the little lip on this roof, like boot lid kind of hatch, I think that's correct, can stay. But they will be getting the BN Sport moulded onto it to make it look more like the original. It's going to get a spoiler on, but that will be fitted to the shell once it's all complete. But I've got a bonnet vent to make as well, so I need to get that smooth first. So here we go.
Keep it to yourself for once. Oh, I think I found a new way out, way beyond your shadow doubt, and I can't breathe. Oh, I hope we're keeping count of all the times you let me down, and all the things you said out loud, the bullshit I could cry about. And I know this could be stronger now, and leave it up to fate somehow. But everything I do for me.
Alright, so as you can see, done a lot of filing. Dug the buckets out so that'll match the D1 car, well, Haraguchi's car. Also did a lot of filing inside, so that'll take the wheels into the arches a bit better. And the bonnet scoop's gone, so the standard bonnet scoop's gone, and there will be, it's like a Nismo or D-Max style bonnet scoop going on it. So yeah, that's it so far. I didn't want to bore you with watching me file for hours, so I just thought I would show you some of the little bits of filing and then skip past it. But yeah, that's it as it stands now, and I'm just going to get the next panel stuck on. So next I'll be putting the putty on to make the body kit with. So here we go.
Freedom, I never had the chance to run. Leave behind the said and done. Figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond a shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess I could be stronger now, and leave it up to fate somehow. But I'm doing this for me. Give it up, baby, I'm not fooling anyone. Always going on and on. Can't you keep it to yourself for once? Oh, I think I found a new way out, way beyond your shadow doubt, and I can't breathe. Oh, I hope you're keeping count of all the times you.
Right, so there it is. Body kit's rough moulded, so as you can see, they look a bit rough. Some roof blanked, bonnet vent put on. Everything's a bit ropey, and then you do a lot of sanding, a lot of filing, and then it ends up looking like a final piece. I'm not going to record us doing the sanding and filing because it takes forever. I use mostly just little dual disc files like this and a Dremel. So the next product you will see will be the body kit nearing completion. So I'll get cracked on with that. So a lot of filing later, and this is the rough state body kit, so it needs smoothing, but it's got all of its body lines. Just put the wheels under it so I can see if the side skirts sit nice and smooth and level. Put buckets in for the headlights. It's not focusing very well, but yeah, fine tune it, and then I should be able to primer the shell. Woohoo! Also got a little spoiler to modify as well, but I'll do the shell, get that all tied up and finished, and then painted, so I want to see it yellow. Right, so while I'm waiting for the putty to dry, ready to be all sanded down, I'm going to paint some wheels. I've done most of the sanding, I just had a few tweaks to do, but these are like Works VS SKs or KFs or something along them lines, I can't remember, similar to them. So I've double-sided sticky taped them to a bit of cardboard, and now I'm going to go and get the chrome paint and paint the chrome. So let's go. Right, so just try and get the focus. As you can see, I have attached the spoiler. I've done it before I painted it. I found it sticks better like that. The body kit is rough and ready. It'll look nice and pretty once it's all primed up. So I'm gonna go take it. Quite hard to focus, but as you can see, it's all nice and yellow. Nice simple, it's just not a motive error. So I'm going to start and do some of the detailing on it to make it look a bit more special. If I could ever get it to focus. There we go. So yeah, water slide decals to come next. They're already pre-printed. I'll just grab a hold of one of the example sheets. So I accidentally printed quite a few, so I may make another one of these in the future, but just so you can see what they look like before they're all water slid. So hopefully I'll set the camera up so we can actually watch this a bit better. But yeah, so my little workstation ready to roll. Looks a bit messy there actually. I might try and tidy that front bumper up a bit.
Freedom, I never had the chance to run. Leave behind the said and done. Figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond a shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess always going on and on. Can't you keep it to yourself for once? Oh, I think I found a new way out, way beyond your shadow doubt. And